In today's video, I'm going to teach you how add date filter in Looker Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a date range control on your report and use it to focus your charts and tables on just the time period you care about. First, open Looker Studio in your browser. This is the same product that used to be called Data Studio, so if you see either name, you're in the right place. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has access to the report you want to modify. Next, open the report and switch into editing mode. Look toward the upper right of the interface and click Edit. Editing mode is essential here because controls can only be added and configured when you're actively editing the report. Now, head to the top toolbar and choose Add a Control. From the drop-down, select Date Range Control. This is the built-in control that lets viewers set a global time window for the report or page. Place the control on your canvas by clicking and dragging. Your cursor will become a crosshair. Draw a rectangle where you want the date selector to live. Don't worry about perfection on the first try. You can move or resize the control later by dragging its edges so it aligns neatly with your layout. With the control on the page, click it to open the date selector. You'll see an option labeled Select Date Range. This brings up the calendar interface where you define the exact period the report should use. Choose your start date and end date from the calendar. You can click directly on the dates or navigate months with the arrow controls. Pick a range that matches your analysis needs, whether that's a week, a month, or a custom span. Remember that the chosen window will limit the data across components that respect this control, helping ensure consistency in your comparisons. When you're satisfied with the selection, click Apply. The report will refresh to reflect only the data within the specified range. This is a great moment to glance at a couple of key charts or scorecards to confirm the numbers now make sense for the period you selected. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. You can reposition or resize the control anytime to match your design. If a particular chart doesn't respond, check that it's set to use the report's default date range rather than a fixed one. And if your audience frequently uses the same period, consider keeping the control visible and easy to find near the top of the page so they can adjust it quickly. That's it. You've successfully added and configured a date filter in Looker Studio.